Hey, we're doing pretty good here at the little Whitehouse. We've had a pretty good weekend so far. It's been a lot of late nights and early mornings, but
That's that out of the way.
the kids have had breakfast. I'm fixing Mommy's breakfast. As you can see, we're gonna have eggs and hash browns. And the kids this morning, they said, we want peanut butter and jelly. So we were like, okay, well. Anyway, I was sitting here thinking, my past, and I know that there's other people out there that their past is still with them today. But, you know, it's like when you go in a garden and you plant a bunch of seeds. It takes a long time for those seeds to grow sometimes, depending on which seeds you want to plant. Some seeds can take up to 90 to 120 days to mature and bear fruit. But your future doesn't have, or your past doesn't have to define where you're gonna be in the future. If you want to plant seeds, you can plant seeds right now. Just because you don't like where you're at, you don't have to stay where you're at. You can start planting seeds today. You plant seeds here.
Downstairs, because it's a Mosquito Valley out there.
Hey Abigail, can you be quiet? Daddy's making a video. Thank you. She's been outside. It's been raining out there for quite a few days. And we do have Mosquito Haven here. Abigail,
it's locked.
You're gonna have to be quiet. Otherwise, I can't make a video with you talking and me talking, because then they won't understand what I'm trying to tell them.
Daddy, what are you taking a video about?
I'm taking a video about future.
So we can see the future?
You can start planting seeds for the future today. Yes, as a gardener, you can see the future. You see little seeds in your hand, and you plant them, and then, by faith, you see what kind of fruit you're getting. Like if it's corn or tomatoes or radishes or...
Last week the corn didn't go out good.
Yeah, well, last week, this year we didn't plant any corn. So
I want to plant some flowers for my mommy though.
we did plant some flowers, and those flowers...
No, some
Those flowers
that we can pick
some flowers that we can pick.
for my mommy to look at.
Okay, well, inside downstairs.
So she can see pretty flowers. And they're going to be sunflowers, so we can have...
You're going to plant sunflowers downstairs.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Little baby sunflowers, and I hope they...
Well, maybe we can find some like that. They'll only be that big? Like that big?
No, this big. And that wide around.
And that wide around. Okay.
So it won't just go break up the floor down there.
Okay. Well, there you have it. You plant seeds for Mommy. And you watch them grow. And when they come to fruition, then you pick flowers for mommy. Anyway, I just wanted to throw that out there for you guys. You know, I know that I'm not the only one that has had a late start in life, and I want to encourage anybody out there who is struggling that what you do today can influence how your future turns out.
How
You
hard?
don't have to have your future be what your past was. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.